That embarrassing odor you can't get rid of, the constant itching and burning that steals your confidence, the fear of intimacy because you feel off. You've tried everything from home remedies to doctor visits only to be told it's normal or given temporary fixes. That is a lie. In the next few minutes, I'm going to expose the real root cause of these intimate feminine issues and reveal a groundbreaking natural solution that's changing women's lives. Stay with me because your comfort and confidence are about to be restored. You see, the real reason for your persistent vaginal issues isn't just hygiene or bad luck. It's often an imbalance in your intimate flora, combined with environmental factors that disrupt your natural defenses. This official website you're seeing right now dives deep into this often ignored truth. They've discovered a powerful blend of natural ingredients designed to rebalance, cleanse, and protect your intimate health, and it's called FemiPro. So how does FemiPro actually work its magic? Unlike temporary creams or harsh treatments, FemiPro works from within to support your body's natural balance. It's about empowering your body to heal itself. It contains key ingredients like mencionar 1 or 2 ingredient is chave de pagina, X, powerful probiotics, O, natural plant extracts that help restore healthy vaginal flora, eliminate odor-causing bacteria, and soothe irritation. You can see the full scientifically backed list right here on their site. It's a gentle yet powerful approach to reclaiming your comfort and freshness. Now, you might be wondering about the investment in your intimate health. And frankly, considering the relief and confidence FemiPro offers, it's priceless. But the creators want to make this solution accessible to every woman. So for a limited time, only through the official link I'm providing, you won't pay the full price. Look at this. You can secure your supply for as little as $49 per bottle. And when you choose the 3 or 6 bottle package, you get an even deeper discount plus free shipping directly to your door. This is an exclusive offer available right now. The choice is yours. Will you continue to suffer in silence, letting these intimate issues control your life? Or will you take control right now and experience the freedom and confidence that thousands of women have already found? To claim your discounted supply of FemiPro and finally address your feminine health concerns, you need to click the first link in the description below this video. It's the only way to get the official product and their unconditional 60-day money-back guarantee. Don't let another day pass feeling anything less than your best. Click that link in the description now, complete your order on their secure page, and start your journey to lasting comfort and confidence. Your new life is just one click away. Act now.